Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the upwards move continues. So overall, the chart looks perfectly fine. And I say overall because I do realize that there's a segment of people out there that have the perspective of, being a day trader. They bought right there. Their plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, and then the price totally pulled back on them. So from that perspective, yeah, the chart actually doesn't look very good for you. But assuming you do care about the overall viewpoint of things, then even with the nice movement this morning that where the price ultimately did pull back, everything is still perfectly fine because you still do have those higher lows being put in place, and that is by far what matters most. The first update I'm going to do here, though, is just adjust this level of support now up to the 128 mark. That representing the ideal level of support. If you were to ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above 128, that would be a fantastic sign of strength. With that being said, don't get me wrong, it's not like if the price falls below that level, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above there, that would be a fantastic sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, sure, staying above 128 would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as the areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. Still all about that red line up there, which I've talked about in past videos. That represents 30.25. I will say that it continues to get closer and closer to within range. So who knows, maybe even the price will do battle with it on Friday. But let's see how this one closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.